I bet you didn't know that instruments are just objects that vibrate. Yep, it's true. Instruments are simply objects that vibrate or help vibrations happen. These vibrations shake up the air particles around them, creating pressure waves. And guess what? Our ears pick up these waves as sound. Now, let's dive into how different instruments make those sweet sounds. First up, strings. When you pluck or bow a string, like on a violin or guitar, it vibrates and makes sound waves. Next, membranes. Think drums. When you hit a drum, its membrane vibrates and produces sound waves. Then we have air columns. Instruments like flutes and trumpets create sound by vibrating columns of air. Pretty cool, right? And let's not forget electronic instruments. Synthesizers generate sound waves through circuitry. Instruments aren't just about making noise. They amplify, modify, and control sound waves, allowing musicians to play with pitch, timbre, and volume. So, there you have it. The science of sound in a nutshell. Comment your thoughts below and see you next time.